everyone. Welcome to our channel.
Yes, welcome. Today, we will talk about a very fun topic, how to stop saying only hello and use other words instead. Now, Ella, let's begin. Many English learners only say hello. It is okay, but native speakers use more words.
Right. So today we will learn two simple words you can use instead of hello. The first word is hi.
Yes, hi is very common. It is short and friendly. For example, if I meet Ella, I can say, "Hi, Ella."
And I can answer, hi, James. It feels very natural.
Students, you can practice. Try saying hi to a friend. For example, "Hi, Sarah," or "Hi, John."
Good. Let's practice in a small dialogue.
Sure, I will start. "Hi, Ella. How are you?"
Hi, James. I am good. And you?
"I am fine, thank you."
Perfect. Very short, but very natural.
Okay, now let's move to the second word. It is hey.
Yes, hey is also very common. It is casual. You use it with friends or family.
For example, I can say, "Hey, Ella, what's up?"
And I can answer, hey, James. I'm good.
It feels so natural, right?
Yes, so hi and hey are easy. You don't always need to say hello.
Exactly. Let's make another little practice.
Okay, James, say hey to me.
"Hey, Ella, nice to see you."
Hey, James. Nice to see you too.
Good. Now, Ella, can you make one more example with hi?
Of course. Hi, James. Are you busy?
"No, Ella, I am free."
Great. You see, learners, you can use hi or hey in many situations.
Yes, and it is very important to practice. Don't just read the word, say it out loud.
That's right. When you meet a friend, try hi. When you are casual, try hey.
But remember, hey is not very formal. Don't use it in a job interview.
Yes, that would be funny. Imagine, hey, boss. No, don't do that.
So, to review, today we learned two simple words, hi and hey.
Both are easy. Both make you sound more natural.
And both are better than always saying just hello.
That's true. So, learners, practice today. Say hi to one friend. Say hey to another.
Yes, speak out loud, repeat many times. That is how you learn.
So, James, last time we learned hi and hey. Let's teach one more word.
Yes, Ella. The new word is good morning.
Right. Good morning is very common. People use it before 12 o'clock in the morning.
For example, when I see Ella at 9 a.m., I say, "Good morning, Ella."
And I answer, good morning, James. It feels polite and friendly.
Learners, you can practice. Say good morning plus the name of your friend.
Yes, like good morning, Sarah, or good morning, Mom.
Let's make a small dialogue.
Okay, I start. Good morning, James. Did you sleep well?
Yes, Ella, I slept well. Thank you. And you?
I am good too. Thank you.
Perfect. Simple and natural.
Sometimes people also just say morning without good.
Yes, that is more casual. For example, I see Ella and say, "Morning, Ella."
And I answer, morning, James.
It sounds very short, but still polite.
Right. So, students, good morning is for early in the day. After lunch, don't use it.
Yes, after lunch, people use good afternoon. But for now, let's practice good morning.
Okay, let's do a role play.
All right. Good morning, Ella. Do you want coffee?
Good morning, James. Yes, I want coffee. Thank you.
Good. I will make coffee.
Great. Very natural.
Learners, can you see? It is easy. Just say good morning when you meet someone before noon.
Yes. And say it with a smile. It makes people happy.
That is true. Imagine this. You meet your teacher, you say good morning, it feels very polite.
Yes, but if you say only hello, it is okay but less natural.
Exactly. So good morning is better in the morning.
Let's try one more example.
Good morning, Ella. Are you ready for class?
Yes, James, I am ready.
Perfect.
James, today we have another new word.
Yes, Ella. The new word is good afternoon.
Exactly. People use good afternoon after 12 o'clock, usually until 5 or 6 p.m.
So if I see Ella at 2 p.m., I don't say good morning, I say good afternoon, Ella.
And I answer, good afternoon, James.
It sounds polite, clear, and natural.
Learners, repeat after us. Good afternoon.
Again, good afternoon.
Good, you are practicing.
Let's make a short role play.
Okay, I start. Good afternoon, James. How is your day?
Good afternoon, Ella. My day is good. Thank you. And you?
My day is nice too.
See? Easy, right?
Yes, very easy.
But sometimes people don't use it much with friends. They just say, hey, or hi.
That's true. Good afternoon is more formal. For example, in an office or with your teacher.
Exactly. So if you want to be polite, use good afternoon.
Let's give more examples.
Good afternoon, sir. How are you today?
Good afternoon, teacher. I am fine.
You sound like a polite student.
Yes, I try.
Okay, let's do one more practice.
Good afternoon, James. Do you want some tea?
Good afternoon, Ella. Yes, please. I love tea.
Perfect.
So, learners, remember morning to good morning, afternoon to good afternoon.
Yes, very simple but very useful.
If you say only hello, it's okay, but good afternoon makes you sound more natural.
Exactly.
So now, when you see someone after 12 o'clock, try good afternoon.
Yes, practice it many times. James, we will learn one more word for greeting people in the evening.
Yes, Ella, the word is good evening.
Exactly. We use good evening after around 5 or 6 p.m., usually when it starts to get dark.
So if I see Ella at 7 p.m., I say, good evening, Ella.
And I answer, good evening, James.
It sounds polite and natural.
Let's practice a short conversation.
Good evening, Ella. How was your day?
Good evening, James. My day was very good, thank you. How about you?
My day was nice too. I had some work and then a short walk.
Perfect. Simple and clear.
But remember, learners, good evening is formal. You use it with teachers, office people, or people you don't know very well.
Right. With friends, you can still say hey or hi.
Let's try another example.
Good evening, Mr. Smith. How are you today?
Good evening, Ella. I am fine, thank you. And you?
I am good too, thank you.
Very polite. Perfect example.
Also, you can combine it with questions about the evening. For example, good evening, James. Did you have dinner?
Yes, I had dinner. Good evening, Ella. Did you eat?
Yes, I did, thank you.
So, learners, today we practiced 4 greetings. Hi. Hey. Good morning. Good afternoon. And now, good evening.
Yes, and you can also mix them in daily life. For example, in the morning, say hi to your friend and good morning to your teacher.
Yes, Ella, it's easy to practice.
Yes, just remember the time of day. Morning to good morning. Afternoon to good afternoon. Evening to good evening.
And hi or hey for casual, friendly situations.
Exactly. Practice every day and soon it will feel natural.
Great job. You are learning to stop saying just hello. Ella, we learned hi, hey, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening.
Right. Let's try a full conversation using them all naturally.
Okay, I will start. Hi, Ella. How are you?
Hi, James. I am good. And you?
I am fine. Good morning, Ella. Did you sleep well?
Good morning, James. Yes, I slept well. Thank you. And you?
My morning was good. Hey, Ella. Did you have breakfast?
Hey, James. Yes, I had some eggs and toast. What about you?
I had pancakes. Good afternoon, Ella. Did you go shopping today?
Yes. Good afternoon, James. I bought a new dress. It is very nice.
That is great. Good evening, Ella. Are you ready for dinner?
Good evening, James. Yes, I am ready. Let's eat.
Perfect. You see, learners, all greetings can be used naturally during different times of the day.
Yes. And remember, hi and hey for casual situations. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening for more polite or formal settings.
Exactly. And practice speaking these words out loud. It helps you sound confident.
Also, you can try short role plays with friends or family. Make it fun.
Yes, for example, every morning say good morning to your parents. In the afternoon, say good afternoon to a teacher. In the evening, say good evening to someone polite.
And don't forget to use hi or hey with your friends. It's friendly and natural.
Yes, it makes conversations easy and fun.
So, learners, this is the end of our lesson about stopping saying only hello.
We hope you liked it and practiced these 5 greetings today.
Don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you haven't yet. Click the button and turn on notifications.
Yes, your support helps us make more lessons and practice for you.
Thank you so much for watching. Keep practicing, speak confidently, and soon you will sound like a native speaker.
See you next time. Goodbye, everyone.
Goodbye. Stay chill.